Käytti Koivistontie rintamamiestalot. Koivistontie 10, niin Taatala Tampere. Staircase A. Unfortunately, other staircases than A and B have just 4 floors and no elevators. I checked them all. Basement is locked off, unfortunately. Stop button has been replaced. Or it was a stop switch before. But otherwise original. Or this save line has been added also, but the original R button is still in use. 6th floor. D1961 VS 204. 3 pros or 240 kilograms. And these are the best elevators in Tampere and one of the best elevators in Finland also. And very rare ones. I have never seen. And 2-speed ValmetSchlieren elevators with Valmet buttons. Sixth floor. Ground floor. This big bike is Finland, maintained by Koni. I will take it for charge also. The another one is in better condition. Sixth floor. Ground floor. Sixth floor. Ground floor. That's